Welcome to the North Carolina ECATS Training Video Suite. This video will demonstrate how to complete student searches and print or export the search results. To access the student search from the main menu, click the Students tab. Enter the criteria you wish to search by, such as student last name or student ID. When searching for students, please remember that your district is using a separate student information system that provides information to ECATS. If you do not see the student you are looking for, please contact your district administrator. When your student results are returned, the student's record will appear if that student fits the entered criteria or a list of students with the same last name exists in the database. To select a specific student record, click on the name of the student. Keep in mind that some users might not be able to search for students and may only be able to view their individual caseload. Additionally, the system will only allow a certain number of students to appear on the search results screen at once. You can narrow your search by entering search criteria such as the student's ID, school, or choosing either General Ed, Initial Eligibility, or Current Re-Eval, IEP, Special Ed, or Referral, and the beginning letters of the student's name. Advanced Student Search. When you click on the Advanced Student Search button at the bottom of the student's page, you will see additional search fields. Within this screen, you will be able to search by compliance status, students without a case manager. This option would be a good one to check often if you also select IEP in the status field. When these options are selected together, you will be able to find students who are on an IEP without a case manager. For example, students moving into your district from another North Carolina district that you didn't know was on an IEP. You can also add to your search disabilities, placement, special education services, related services, serving school, students with a service marked as ESY, and/or logic. Within both the student search and the advanced student search, you can pull students only in certain categories if you click one option from one or more groups on this page. Alternately, pull multiple options within certain fields if you select multiple options within one group. Select the checkboxes or drop-down items that you would prefer and click the View Students button. Compliance symbols. Once you are assigned to a student's IEP team, you will have a View My Caseload button within your students page that will take you directly to your entire caseload. Within 2 simple clicks, you can enter a student record. Click the View My Caseload button at the bottom of the student search page. The Select a Student page will list all the students who you serve via the Team tab, either as a case manager or as a team member. Any students who you are the case manager of will be listed at the top of the page with a gray background. Every student in ECATS has a compliance symbol associated with their name. When viewing your caseload, the compliance symbols are a quick way for you to see which students are in or out of compliance, as well as students who have approaching deadlines. If you cannot determine the meaning of a compliance symbol, click on the CP header of the column for a list of the definitions, or hover over the compliance symbol and the definition will pop up. Sort or filter. When you are on the student list page, you can select the header of any of the fields and the list will automatically sort chronologically on that column. If you click the header again, the list will reverse the order. Export results. At the bottom of the student search results page are two options: Print Caseload and Export Caseload. When you select the Print Caseload, the system will produce a PDF document with the school system's name, your name, and the date with all the fields from the search results. Within this PDF, you can download the document or print the document by clicking on the print icon. If you click the Export Caseload button, the system will produce an Excel sheet that will be available to download at the bottom of your page. This will give you the option to manipulate or filter the data as needed. Recent search results. In order to see the students you have recently accessed, hover over the Students tab and click on the Recent Students option. This page lists a maximum of 50 recently viewed. This may be a helpful place during testing season to jog your memory on a student that you recently looked at or added testing information for. This concludes our video on completing student searches and printing or exporting the student search results. For videos highlighting other sections of the eCATS application, choose another selection from the eCATS Training Video Suite found on your main menu page.